If you need to rotate an image in Squarespace, whether it's slightly off or completely sideways, you can do it quickly right inside the editor. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can fix the orientation of any image on your page and publish it live without confusion. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Squarespace tips and website walkthroughs. Let's jump in. First, go to the Squarespace page where your image is located and click Edit on your target page. This opens the page editor so you can make changes directly on the layout. Once you're inside the editor, click directly on the image block you want to rotate. When the image block is selected, look for the pencil tool and click it to open the image editing options. This takes you into the image editor where you can adjust the image settings more precisely. Now, look at the bottom of the editing panel for the orientation controls. This is where Squarespace lets you rotate the image in set increments. To rotate the image, click the circular rotation arrow button. Each click rotates the image clockwise by 90 degrees, which makes it easy to quickly fix a portrait image, a sideways photo, or an image that was uploaded in the wrong direction. If you need to turn it further, just keep clicking the button until the image is facing the way you want it. You can rotate it once for 90 degrees, twice for 180 degrees, and keep going until it returns to the original position. Once the image looks correct, click Save in the top right corner of the image editor window. This locks in the new orientation for that specific image. After that, don't forget the final step. Click Save in the top left corner of the main Squarespace dashboard to publish your corrected layout live. That part is important because the image rotation won't be fully visible to your visitors until you save the page itself. And that's it. You've now rotated an image in Squarespace and updated your page the right way. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.